Forget the obvious winners. The real opportunities are often found where the market has a blind spot. A handful of companies are flashing strong signals, with analysts giving them aggressive price targets, even as their true potential remains overlooked. I'm revealing 5 such underrated stocks today, showing you why these could be the next major movers and what data confirms their high upside. Pay close attention to the last one. It could be far more interesting than it looks. Let's start with our first stock, Par Pacific Holdings, Inc., ticker PARR. Par Pacific Holdings, Inc. has caught significant analyst attention, with Mizuho upgrading it to outperform and raising its price target to $79, citing strong Q1 2026 results and a favorable margin backdrop. The company reported a net income attributable to shareholders of $54.5 million, a dramatic turnaround from a $30.4 million net loss in the prior year quarter, alongside a sharp rise in adjusted EBITDA to $91.5 million. This reflects robust operational improvements, including record refining throughput in Hawaii of 89.8 thousand barrels per day and the commercial launch of its Hawaii Renewable Fuels facility in April. Analysts hold a buy to strong buy consensus, with an average price target indicating a 38.41% upside potential from current levels. Par Pacific's operational efficiency has been bolstered by the earlier-than-anticipated completion of its Wyoming refinery maintenance and significant improvements in regional margins across Montana and Washington. Financial forecasts are being revised upward, with FY25 EPS projected at $1.64 from a previous -7 cents, and revenue for FY26 expected to hit $7.28 billion, marking a 17% net income growth. The company has also demonstrated a disciplined capital allocation strategy, repurchasing $28 million of its stock at an average price of $37.96, contributing to an approximately 20% reduction in share count and securing a $1.8 billion credit facility for extended financial flexibility. While potential headwinds like anticipated capital expenditure reductions in fiscal year 25 and fiscal year 26 and exposure to specific market risks exist, Par's strategic moves position it for continued strength in conventional and renewable fuels. Next up, we have AbCellera Biologics Inc., ticker ABCL. AbCellera Biologics is a clinical-stage biotechnology firm with impressive recent momentum, demonstrating a 113.29% six-month performance. Analysts see a 49.05% upside potential, with Truist Securities raising its price target to $12 following positive Phase 1 results for ABCL 635. This lead asset, a potential first-in-class antibody targeting moderate to severe vasomotor symptoms associated with menopause, showed a favorable tolerability profile, an absence of liver toxicity, and strong biomarker engagement, potentially allowing for a once-monthly dosing regimen. The program has advanced to Phase 2, with critical top-line efficacy and safety data expected in Q3 2026, which management believes will be a significant de-risking event, pivotal for its progression into Phase 3 in 2027. Financially, AbCellera reported a Q1 2026 revenue of $8.3 million, a substantial 96.3% year-over-year increase, and an adjusted loss per share of -14 cents that significantly beat analyst estimates of -20 cents. The company maintains a robust financial position with approximately $655 million in total available liquidity, providing ample runway for its strategic initiatives. Further strengthening its pipeline, AbCellera recently collaborated with Jazz Pharmaceuticals in June 2026 to discover next-generation T-cell engaging multispecific antibodies, aligning with its strategic pivot to leverage its AI-powered discovery platform for proprietary drug development. With 2 additional molecules advancing towards clinical entry in 2027 and a moderate buy-to-buy analyst consensus, AbCellera presents an attractive risk-reward opportunity, particularly with the upcoming ABCL 635 data release, validating its platform and proprietary pipeline strategy. Our third stock is Viasat, Inc., ticker VSAT. Viasat, Inc. has demonstrated remarkable growth, boasting a 78.68% six-month performance, with analysts projecting a 56.58% average price target upside. The company recently secured a prime contract from the U.S. Space Force for its Protected Tactical SATCOM Global program, tasked with developing and delivering a proliferated fleet of small, maneuverable geosynchronous Earth orbit satellites, along with extensive ground stations and operational support. This follows the successful launch and acquisition of the initial signal from its Viasat-3 Flight 3 satellite in April 2026, completing the Viasat-3 constellation and expanding global high-capacity coverage into the Asia-Pacific region, a critical component of its global multi-orbit network strategy. Despite slightly missing Q4 FY26 EPS of -$0.02 and revenue estimates of $1.17 billion, Viasat is transitioning from a capital-intensive build-out phase to a harvesting phase, with management anticipating sustained positive free cash flow starting in the second half of fiscal year 2026. The company generated nearly $600 million in free cash flow in fiscal year 2026, or approximately $180 million excluding the Legato settlement payment, marking positive free cash flow for the last 5 consecutive quarters. For fiscal year 2027, Viasat forecasts mid-single-digit revenue growth and plans to prioritize reducing its substantial $7 billion net debt incurred from the Inmarsat merger. With a moderate buy to strong buy analyst consensus, fueled by strategic defense contracts and a growing global network, Viasat is positioning itself as a key player in the evolving satellite communications landscape, offering robust communication solutions across diverse sectors. Coming in at number 4, we have Aurora Innovation, Inc., ticker AUR. Aurora Innovation is a leading self-driving technology company, has demonstrated strong operational progress, reflecting a 64.34% 6-month performance and an impressive 82.13% average price target upside from analysts. Recently, EdgeCase completed an independent review of Aurora's safety case, validating the maturity and highway readiness of its Aurora driver system and setting a new industry benchmark for safety transparency in the autonomous vehicle industry. This evidence-based approach, combining real-world data and rigorous testing, is crucial for building confidence with regulators, partners, and the public as autonomous technology scales. Despite reporting a Q1 2026 net loss of $223 million, Aurora beat analyst EPS estimates with -0.11 on revenues of $1.0 million and maintains robust liquidity with nearly $1.3 billion in cash and investments. The company reaffirmed its ambitious full-year 2026 revenue guidance of $14 to $16 million, projecting 400% year-over-year growth heavily weighted towards Q4, and plans to deploy over 200 driverless trucks by year-end, aiming for an $80 million talent as a service revenue run rate. Aurora has tripled its driverless network to 10 routes, achieved 250,000 driverless miles with a perfect safety record, and will launch a second-gen hardware kit in Q2 2026, designed for a million-mile durability and over 50% cost reduction. Expanded partnerships, like with Hirschbach Motor Lines, underpin strong commercial traction. While recent insider selling has introduced some volatility, analysts remain largely bullish, anticipating significant revenue and earnings growth as Aurora progresses its commercialization roadmap. And finally, our 5th high-upside stock, Applied Digital Corporation, ticker APLD. Applied Digital Corporation is experiencing rapid expansion in AI data center infrastructure, demonstrating a 57.84% 6-month performance and an impressive 87.24% average price target upside from analysts. Craig-Hallum, for instance, raised its price target to $79 after APLD secured another 15-year lease with a high-investment-grade hyperscaler at its Delta Forge 2 campus, bringing its total contracted capacity to 1.4 gigawatts across 5 leases. This latest agreement alone, covering 210 megawatts of critical IT load, is projected to generate $5.2 billion in base-term revenue, potentially reaching $12.7 billion if all renewal options are exercised over a 30-year term. APLD's aggressive growth strategy is evident across its Polaris Forge and Delta Forge campuses, with its total contracted portfolio now standing at 1.4 gigawatts of critical IT load and approximately $36 billion in base-term lease revenue, about 70% of which is backed by investment-grade customers. While Q3 2026 saw a generally accepted accounting principles net loss of $100.9 million partly due to a non-cash write-down in its cloud business, Chronoscale, The company reported an adjusted EPS of $0.09, beating estimates, with revenues surging 139% year-over-year to $126.6 million. This rapid, capital-intensive expansion has led to approximately $2.7 billion in total debt, financed through significant offerings like a $1.59 billion private offering of senior secured notes. Despite concerns about potential dilution from preferred stock offerings, analyst sentiment remains largely bullish, supported by strong contract momentum and its strategic position in the booming AI and high-performance computing industries. APLD's recent inclusion in the Russell 1000 and Russell Midcap indices also enhances its market visibility and liquidity. Now, let's look at the numbers, with a side-by-side comparison of these 5 high-potential stocks. When we look at market capitalization, Aurora Innovation stands out as the largest with a $13 billion market cap, closely followed by Viasat at $11.34 billion and Applied Digital at $9.45 billion. Par Pacific at $2.93 billion and Abcelera at $2.48 billion are considerably smaller, suggesting a potentially greater upside if their growth catalysts fully materialize. In terms of revenue, Par Pacific is the clear leader, boasting $7.54 billion, demonstrating its scale in the energy sector. Viasat follows with $4.64 billion, while Applied Digital shows a respectable $319.3 million. Abcelera, at $79.20 million, and Aurora, with just $4 million, reflect their earlier stage of commercialization or focus on specific, high-value, albeit smaller, markets currently. Gross margins tell a very different story about operational efficiency and business models. Applied Digital impresses with a strong 45.4% gross margin, followed by Viasat at 33.0%, indicating solid profitability in their respective communication and data infrastructure sectors. Par Pacific's 9.0% margin is lower, typical for energy refining, while Aurora's is not available. Abcelera, however, reports a significant negative gross margin of -141.1%, highlighting its heavy investment in R&D and platform development, a common characteristic of early-stage biotech. Profitability, as measured by EPS, is quite varied. Par Pacific is the only one generating substantial positive earnings at $9.19 per share. The other 4, Abcelera, Viasat, Aurora, and Applied Digital, with EPS figures ranging from -25 for Viasat to -48 for Abcelera. However, the real excitement lies in the upside potential and recent performance. Viasat has delivered an astonishing 410.2% one-year change, leading the pack in market momentum, followed by Applied Digital at 216.4% and Abcelera at 113.4%. Par Pacific has also seen an impressive 86.0% increase. Looking purely at analyst price targets, Aurora Innovation leads with an 82.13% upside potential, closely followed by Applied Digital at 87.24%. Viasat offers 56.58% and Abcelera 49.05%, while Par Pacific still presents a compelling 38.41%. So, these are 5 hot stocks with untapped upside potential, each navigating unique opportunities and challenges. Which of these 5 high upside stocks do you find most compelling for your portfolio, and why? Drop your thoughts, insights, and predictions in the comments section below. And if you're looking for even more under-the-radar opportunities, don't miss our video right here on these 4 AI stocks beyond NVIDIA that could surge in 2026.